Hello everyone, this is Ritika Jyotia and I'll be talking about a topic in this video which is a part of my IEP submission, and the topic talking about is natural gas economy, where our Indian government has decided to increase the natural gas in the energy mix by 15%, which seems to be a very ambitious initiative. As of 2019, the natural gas in energy mix stands at 6%, so increasing it by 9% seems to be a very big task for the Indian government. So first talk about the overall natural gas value chain. It can be divided into three parts: upstream, midstream and downstream. The upstream, which includes gas exploration; midstream, which includes gas processing; and downstream, which includes infrastructure facilitating consumption. To cater to the increasing demand for the currently, our government is investing heavily and focusing on this downstream, building gas pipelines networks and regasification terminals. If we talk about the major barriers to achieve this 2030 objective, the first is the inadequate infrastructure, which comes under the downstream, and high prices. Government has announced one nation, one gas grid with multi-billion investment to build gas-based economy. And even though last year the prices of natural gas was very low, which was at 2 USD MMBTU, and which used to be around 10 to 12 USD MMBTU. So these low prices are incentivizing all the stakeholders to explore various business opportunities in the natural gas industry. Our government took also approved natural gas marketing reforms, and the main focus of these marketing reforms is to facilitate transparency in pricing and provide opportunities for the natural gas consumer sectors. This reform will allow transparent price discovery, which will be based on e-bidding via independent agency, which will be selected by a panel maintained by the Director General of Hydrocarbons. This will bring uniformity to the bidding process across industry by providing competitive and transparent pricing. Currently, India's domestic gas prices back to a weightage average of major international gas supply hubs. Also, investors and experts say that this price formula is unviable as it does not reflect all the costs incurred, as India usually imports LNG at a much higher prices. If we look what will be the way forward to achieve this natural gas economy, the first is to deregulate the pricing, boost infrastructure and free gas markets, because free markets will determine affordable pricing and incentivize the demand. Thank you.